Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are well. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. What did you think of yesterday's Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons on ATC Cards? I hope you all went over and checked out Sabrina. Because I tell you, she's very talented. She really thinks out of the box with her ATCs, and I'm loving them. So, today's ATC is Winnie the Pooh, and I'm going to do a shout out real quick. Happy birthday, Sabrina. I did this one in your honor of your birthday coming up. It's 13th. So we got 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. 4 days. So here it is. Here we go. Happy birthday. It says happy birthday, Pooh. But it's in honor of Sabrina. I got some balloons, some dimensionals. So he's kind of sticks out a little bit. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. And that is my ATC for March 13th. Winnie the Pooh. Now, if you like to join into this, it's the Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC card. The complete list will be on me and Sabrina's Facebook group. All the information's in the description box. But I'm also putting in all the ones that are coming up for the month of March. So, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you join in the fun. Let us know if you do, so Sabrina and I can go check them out. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.